Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we'll be continuing with our FMT exam revision series with our next and very important topic, sexual perversions, deviations. This is often asked for 5 markers and also the subtopics are usually asked in the 2 markers. Very important. Sexual perversions, deviations. Sexual perversions are habitual acts aimed to obtain sexual gratification without sexual intercourse. These include sadism, masochism, fetishism, exhibitionism, transvestism, uranism, voyeurism, frotteurism, urogenia, philastine, cunnilingus. First one, sadism. This is a sexual perversion in which the infliction of pain is a necessary and sometimes the sole factor for sexual gratification. Masochism. This is the reverse of sadism. It is more common among males. Victims of this perversion obtain sexual enjoyment only when they receive a painful stimulus from women. Fetishism. It is a perversion in which sexual gratification is associated with the contact and sight of certain parts of the female body or even clothing or other articles known as fetish objects. Exhibitionism is sexual gratification by exhibiting genitals in public places, especially persons of opposite sex. He may also masturbate publicly. Transvestism. It is sexual gratification by wearing the clothes, especially the undergarments of the opposite sex. Uranism. It is the general term used for sexual perversions. Voyeurism is sexual gratification by watching others perform sexual intercourse. Therefore, these people usually peep into lighted bedrooms at night. Frotteurism is sexual gratification by rubbing the clothed genitals with other bodies or buttocks, example in crowded places, lifts, fair, matches, etc. Coprolagnia. It is sexual gratification by sight, smell and taste of feces. He may smear the body of his partner with feces. Urolagnia is sexual gratification by sight, smell and taste of urine. He may smear the body of his partner by urine. Thank you.